and double shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for being
Hey my Yelly Babies, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yelly, of course. And I just know you guys miss my videos. I haven't recorded in a while, a couple of weeks actually, due to personal reasons. I am currently in a different film space right now, but I was able to film this video today. I was able to get it on and popping. I was able to do me and get back to what I really want to do, which is makeup. I've been like really bored, really upset, really depressed. It's been a year since my grandma has passed away. Like everything has took a toll out of me. But I am back and I am motherfucking better. Why? Because it is Pride Month, you guys. You know this is my favorite month of the year, other than April, you know, my birthday. But not only is it Pride, it's my son's birthday month. Like, my son will be 3 this year, if you guys did not know. Most of you guys do know. Well, I don't know, but my son will be 3 years old this year, along with my baby brother. Pride means so much to me as an individual. Like, you guys know I have a girlfriend. I don't really show her as much on my channel because I don't have a couples channel, but my girlfriend means the world to me. She was one of the people that brought me out to be who I am today, because we used to date back in high school. Shout out to my LGBTQ. Like it's so amazing to even be a part of this community. This was really fun, really simple, really unique. This is the first time I did rainbow brows. Like, are you guys feeling it? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling the fucking brows? Like, are you feeling it? Like, I'm so into this month and colors. Like, my favorite color is color. Like, my favorite color is the fucking colors. Like, rainbow and all of that. Like, when it comes to any color, that is my favorite color. Like, no, my favorite color is blue and pink now that I got older. But my favorite color was blue my entire life. But I'm just so happy to be sitting here doing what I love, doing, you know, like just being in front of the camera and giving a little tutorial, because it is Pride and I am from New York City. So who's going to Pride? Because I will be going to. I'm going this year. I don't give no fucks. Like, I am going this year. Like, y'all, it's about to be lit. But thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I am about to get up out of here because I'm starving. You feel me? I'm starving. You see all this energy I have today. I have so much energy today, but I'm starving. And I just want to show you guys how to get this beautiful look for Pride. You feel me? Or just in general, this rainbow brow eyeshadow look. So stay tuned to the next clip. Okay guys, so we are going to be doing a green, blue, and purple eyebrow. So I'm going to be taking a flat brush, well, an angle brush from the BH Cosmetics, and going in with my Fantasy palette, and I'm going to go in with that green. Looking back, I should have like applied a white base just so the colors could pop even more, but I'll know that for next time, because I can see the transition from green, blue, and purple, but on camera it just looks like green and purple. But I used the green from that palette, and then I went on and got the blue from the Tammi X Revolution palette, and that blue is called Bacchanal. And then I took a purple from the Zulu palette from Juvias. Now I'm going to be taking my Morphe M410 brush with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just going to clean up these brows. Here I will be taking the P. Louise Rumor Number 1 eyeshadow base with this BH Cosmetics brush from a brush collection. I don't know what kind of brush this is. It was just from a brush collection, and I like to apply my eyeshadow bases with this. So in the Zulu palette, sorry. In the Zulu palette, these shadows do not have names, but I'm just going to go in with that yellow shade, and then I'm going to take the brighter yellow from the Fantasy palette and just add it in the I'm just going to add it with the yellow. Sorry guys, it is really early, so I'm just going to add it with that yellow right in my inner corner. Next, I'm just going to be taking this very, very pigmented orange. Like, I don't know, I love this orange so much. It was very, very pigmented. And then the next shade I will be using is this red shade from the Fantasy palette, and I'm just going to add that to the outer corner of my eyelid. So I'm going in like a not a triangle, but sort of like a triangle shape at the end corner of my eye. And then I will be taking a face wipe, a makeup wipe, just to clean up the edges.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now for face, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution London Baking Oil, and I like to apply this to my face because my face does get very dry, so anything that helps my face bring its moisture back is very helpful.
Purchase your tracks today.
I will be taking the Morphe Y7 brush. Was it the Y6? No, this is the Y7 brush. And I like to, when I'm doing like my face products other than foundation, I like to use this brush. Next will be primer. So I prime with the Cover FX today, blurring face primer. I don't know why, but that was just the closest one to me. Now here we are with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 380. I really, really like this foundation, and if you feel like this foundation is way too matte for you, picking up this baking oil from Revolution, and this oil is really affordable, will help the product move around. So that's what I've noticed, that the product moves around way easier when you apply this product before your foundation. Now I'm going to be using the same concealer that I did for under my brows, which is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm sorry guys, half of this video I had to even cut out because I haven't recorded in so long, so just I wasn't aware that my mirror was in front of my face. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to be concealing all the places that I conceal. You guys already know my face routine, so I'm sorry that it was, you know, overshadowed by this damn mirror. So I'm going to be topping that concealer with the 1050 concealer from ColourPop Cosmetics. Well, I said cosmetics, but ColourPop. I'm pretty sure it's a different name now. So if you type in 1050, maybe something else will pop up. And I'm just going to be blending my concealer in with the Real Techniques sponge. Makeup, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. And I really, really love this setting powder. It doesn't give you flashback. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look anything. And I like to press it into my skin. I took a dry beauty blender and just made sure my concealer was in the skin. And then I went over it with the setting powder. Next, I'm going to be taking my Brilliance bronzer in the shade Bronze Babe, sorry, with damn it, it's another Morphe brush, guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to be taking it with this small rounded brush just so I could bronze up the face. So I powdered, bronzed and contoured today. I didn't use any cream products to contour. Next, I'm going to be taking that same Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I am going to cut that that contour. Normally I'll use just the setting powder, but F it. So here we are with this blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to be taking one of the shades, and I had really liked that shade because it had like some shimmer in it, so I didn't even use highlighter yet. But then I sprayed my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, but that was I didn't even show because I was that was it. Like, it was only a little bit more in it, and it left like some white stuff on my face and it looked crazy. So now I'm going to be going back in with the Tammi X Revolution palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Calypso in my inner tear duct, so I can have that pop of color. I love this color. Like, I don't even really play with the other colors. Not because I don't want to, not because the shades are bad. It's just because that color is amazing. So I never really used this color before to do highlighting, but I highlighted with the shade Soca, and it was like this cute purpley shadow shimmer shade that I was like, fuck it, why not? It's Pride. Let's add some more color to our face rather than using like a champagne color or a golden color. So I'm just going to take some setting spray that I had poured into a bottle and just using my fan to basically, you know, dry my face. But thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. On my lips is just a new pencil with some concealer. I love you guys so much. Happy Pride, everybody, and I will definitely get back to you in another video. Love you.